before we start, please give yourself some warm applause. Yay! Okay. Good morning, everyone. I cannot hear you. Okay, let me introduce myself before I start my presentation. My name is Andika. You can call me Andy, okay, because my international name is Andy. And I'm a medical practitioner, okay, but right now I'm focusing my business and what I'm doing every day to develop and transform people with this thing that I want to share with you today. Okay, and for you who watch the video from all over the world here, before I start my presentation, I would like to apologize if you don't understand my English because I never speak English every day because English is not a language for Indonesian people, right? I never speak English. But so I'm practicing my English here, so hopefully you can understand my English, okay? Okay, please give some applause for yourself. Before we start, the second question is there any one of you here want to have a healthier body? Raise your hands up and say I. Is there any one of you here wants to have a greater life? Say I. So, is there any one of you here want to pay off your debt? Raise your hands and say I. And today, I would like to share some information about the solutions. If you are going to have a healthier body, you are coming to the right place. Okay? But before I start, please give yourself some warm applause. Yeah! Okay. Do you have any friends, relatives, or even you who, get sick or suffering from any diseases? Is there any one of you here who is suffering from any diseases? Well, I believe some of you or some of your relatives or friends have sick, okay, have diseases, okay? And do you know that the main causes of death in Indonesia in 2014, is caused by stroke? Maybe now you are imagining that your family, your relatives, or your friends who are suffering from stroke or heart diseases, okay, and blood vessels or artery, diabetes mellitus, tuberculosis, okay, or hypertension and its complication, okay, high blood pressure means of the meaning of hypertension, lower respiratory infections, liver, road accident injury, pneumonia, your lungs diseases, diarrheal digestive diseases. Those diseases are the main cause of death in Indonesia. So if you or your family or your relatives have this kind of diseases, please be careful. You have to offer some solutions for them. And I believe that you do care about them. Do you agree? Okay, let's carry on. Okay, and I'm sure you want to get healthier body, right? Who wants it? Raise your hands up and say ah. Okay. And then the next question is, what does healthy means for you? Is there any one of you knows what healthy means? Okay, what is your name, ma'am? Rahma, okay. Rahma means love in English, okay? Yeah. Okay. She said that healthy means not sick or you can do everything that you want. It's correct answer. Okay, but from the medical textbook that I learned when I was studying in medical faculty, well, if we have friends that you assume that he is not or she is not sick, but when they go to a laboratory and they check their blood, sometimes we will find trouble in heart high blood pressure or triglyceride is fatty liver or whatever it is, because if you have someone that looks so healthy, but if you look inside, sometimes not too healthy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but here today I would like to offer solutions, over a better definitions of health. This is what I call amazing true health. Okay, but before we discuss about amazing true health, I want you to watch this video. Make health last. And the question is, what will your last 10 years look like? Okay, imagine this is you. There are two men, old
What
men.
will your last 10 years
Senior
look
man.
like? Will you be
He's
quick
riding
enough
bicycle,
for a game of tag
and
with
he
your
is
grandchild?
riding his wheelchair.
Strong enough to embrace every moment?
The same person drink
Will
milk,
you grow old with
also drink
vitality?
milk, but different situation.
Or get old with disease?
Using tie, okay, wearing a tie, the same tie, but for helping you breathe oxygen.
It's time to decide. The average Canadian will spend their last 10 years in sickness. Change your future.
Imagine, this is the last 10 years of your life. Or imagine 50 years from now, and you will live your 10 years remaining of your life. What kind of life that you want to have? Okay, the left side or the right side of you? Left side, okay? So if you want to have a great life, you have to change your life starting from now. You cannot change the last 10 years of your life and you hope you have a better life, okay? So you have to change your life, start from today. Okay, amazing true health. There are 4 amazing true health, okay? The first one is mentally health, okay, physical health, and then social health, and the 4th is financial health. If I'm asking you right now, which one of these 4 things that is the most important thing for you? Pick one, choose one. Is it health, mental, social, or financial? Financial, okay? You prefer financial is more important than your physical health. Okay, maybe you have so much money in your bank account, but you walk like this because you are suffering from stroke. Do you want it? No. Or maybe you have a healthy body, 6-pack and so on, but your wallet, okay, your bank account is broke. Do you want it? No. So I believe any one of you here and everyone that watch these videos want this amazing true health. These 4 items, right? Okay. So if you also want these 4 items in your life, you have to start to change your life from now. Okay. Okay, let's see these numbers. This is the diabetes by age. And this is the source from CDC. If you can see here, from the age 20 until 45, 64, and this is the age of 65 plus, the more they getting older, the diabetes is getting higher, right? The numbers of the diabetes is increasing, okay? And then, if we see about the hypertension by age, the source is Journal of Cardiology. According to this research from this age, 20, 29, 39, 49 until 70, okay? Is it increasing or decreasing? Increasing, okay? And then, how about obesity by age, okay? The more you getting old, the more people get their obesity. Okay, you know obesity? Okay, overweight. Okay, overweight. Yeah, I was overweight 5 years before I drink this amazing water. Okay, and then how about cancer? Okay, fortunately I'm not a Cancer, I'm an Aquarius. Just kidding. Okay, some of you are Capricorns. Okay, cancer by age. Okay, it's increasing day by day, month by month, years by years. Okay, and those numbers shows us that medical world, that medical doctors have failed to prevent diseases. Because if the preventive medicine is success, it has to be decreasing, the numbers. But as we see here, the numbers is increasing. So, meaning to say, we need to put our concern more in preventive medicine. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Okay, please give yourself some applause. Okay. Thank you. And before we continue, I just want you, I just want you to know that everything that I talk today, everything that I'm sharing to you today is not based on my knowledge. It's all based on books. It's all based on, medical research. So everything that we discuss today is based on medical books, medical research. It's not because of my brain. Okay, like this. Dr. Henry E. Sidgwick said, prevention of diseases must be the intention of every medical doctor. So if medical doctor wants to, help their patients, they must, do the prevention of the diseases. Preventive medical is more important than healing or curing diseases. Okay, now, as Dennis Parsons Burkitt said, diseases can rarely be eliminated through early diagnosis or good treatment, but prevention can eliminate diseases. So the thing that can eliminate disease is prevention, he said. So do you agree that prevention is more important than than curing or healing? Okay, we have to prevent. It's more cheaper and better. Okay. Diabetes prevention program. See, it is likely that people diagnosed with diabetes, maybe you have friends, relatives, or family that suffering from diabetes, not the first person in the family. Okay, according to ADA is American Diabetes Association, the risk of developing diabetes, 1 in 7 if one parent is under 50 years of age. So if you have one parent, your mom or your father is suffering from diabetes, meaning to say 1 in 7 of you here, would suffer from diabetes. Okay, hopefully not. Okay, or 1 to 2 or 50% if both parents have diabetes. If your mom or your mother is suffering from diabetes, okay, your mom or your father, mom or your dad, okay, both of them suffering from diabetes, 50% of you, will suffer from diabetes also. Okay? And then, how about hypertension? The medical journal said when both parents suffer from hypertension or one of them suffers from hypertension before 55 years old, the child has a risk up 20 times higher than the normal population suffered from high blood at the age of 35 years. This is from Johns Hopkins study. Can you imagine? 20 times higher. You can suffer a hypertension if you have parents suffering from hypertension also. Okay? And then, let's see. One way of preventing disease is worth 50 ways of curing. Trevor Howard said. Meaning to say, if you can prevent from suffering from a one disease, let's say, it's like, 50 ways, it's worth 50 ways of curing. So I would like to deliver the message that prevention is much cheaper than if you have to cure yourself to get your healthy body. Make sense? Makes sense. Okay? So, prevent sickness. You have to prevent from any kind of diseases. Keep in your mind, prevention is better than cure. Repeat this sentence. Prevention is better than cure. Okay, give yourself some applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what are the things that cause our body sick? This is the next question. What are the things that cause our body sick? Okay, and then you will suffer from many diseases. Okay, let's talk about health problems. Health problems, this is the 3 main cause why you can have health problems. Okay, the first one is too much acidity. Okay, and then the second one is dehydration or lack of drinking water, and then the third the third main cause is free radicals. Okay, let's talk about it. Okay, health problems. The first main cause is too much acidity. Okay, the question is, what is your daily food and beverage? Okay, have you had your breakfast today? Okay, or can you remember what you had for your lunch, your dinner last night? Okay, what kind of foods or beverage that you eat or drink? Okay, maybe some of you drinks fried chicken, breads, rice, sodas, and then or milk, cappuccino. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, Thai tea. Well, I like to drink Thai tea. Okay, for example, those food and beverages are acidic, and I will show you what acidic means, and I will show you how can acidic, okay, ruin your body. Okay, can you follow my presentation? Okay, if you cannot, just nod your head and then pretend that you understand my English. Okay, and also you in the camera. Okay, in the video. Okay, this is the pH chart: food and drinks, food and beverage. Okay, if you still remember the lesson when you went to high school, let's say, or a college, if you learn about these chemical things. Okay, if we talk about a natural pH, pH is the standard for the acidity or the alkalinity in your body. If we talk about natural pH, meaning to say it's 7 in numbers. Okay, 7 in amount of numbers. Okay, and it's green. If we talk below 7 means acidic, above 7 means alkaline. Okay, yellow or purple. And if we talk about yellow, okay, we talk about like wine, cigarette, coffee, sugar, and then milk. This is not a good thing for your body. Okay, and if we talk about alkaline things, food and beverage, we talk about orange, banana, avocado, papaya, broccoli, watermelon, all those healthy foods that maybe you don't like to eat it. It's good for your body. So my question is, which one do you choose? The yellow one or the purple one? The acidic one or the alkaline one? Okay, so you love this purple kind of shirt, right? Okay. Some of my friends, they don't believe that I'm a medical practitioner. Andy, I don't believe you. I don't trust you. Well, it's okay. If you don't trust me, it's okay. But please trust this guy, I say. I mean, this is Dr. Otto Hendrik Warburg. He was a Nobel Prize winner. I mean, Nobel Prize winner. He did some research and then he received a Nobel Prize. I mean, the research is can influence so many people. Okay, now what he said is one of his research said cancer cells are acidic. Okay, while the healthy cells are alkaline. So which one do you choose, acidic or alkaline? Okay. This is a very good book, Alkalize or Die. So the choice is only 2, okay? Alkalize or die. All diseases come from the same root cause, too much acidity in our body. So if you have so many acidic ways in your body, okay, you will you will die, okay, soon, okay? So this is Dr. Theodore Brody, the author of Alkalize or Die. Okay, so what are the solutions? We need the solutions, okay? The first solution is switching to a vegetarian diet. But the problem is, not every one of us, can switch our diet into vegetarian. Some of us can. Well, I have a friend that, after he knows about this kind of healthy diet things, and then 3 days every morning he, blend in a blender, apa lagi, sayuran apa bahasa Inggrisnya, sayuran, vegetables, ya. You good in English, I mean. He blended vegetables and then drink the vegetables, okay? Only lasts for 3 days because he doesn't like the taste, something like that. Okay, but the thing is, many of us maybe cannot switch into a vegetarian. So what are the second option is to have a better life. Okay, you have to drink alkaline water. And today we are going to talk about not just normal alkaline water, but ionized alkaline water. Okay, big difference. Okay, so this is a Dr. Gerald Brasnahan. Yeah, for you to know, he is a cardiologist. Well, my mom is a cardiologist. My sister also a cardiologist. Well, my parents are doctors. My wife also doctor. We have a doctor's family. Okay, but this is not a regular cardiologist. He is a presidential of United States presidential cardiologist. Okay, he said by drinking alkaline water can help our body becomes alkaline easily. Hundreds of thousands of our patients have seen remarkable results. Alkaline water is revolutionizing health, fitness, and wellness
of our nation in America. So from Ronald Reagan, Clinton, Bush, Barack Obama, okay, now Donald Trump, Queen of England, okay, the Pope, okay, those people drink Kangen water. Okay, and I don't think those kind of great people will drink, whatsoever, drink with not a good quality. Okay, those people will always drink a good and the best quality of water. Okay, and this is a book that I read. This is a very, very good book, the pH Miracle series. If someone asked me to find one way, he said, what should I do to get a better health? The answer is easy. Start drinking ionized alkaline water. Okay? And then the second health problem caused by dehydration. Okay? This is taken from a book, Change Your Life, Change Your Water, Change Your Life. Common symptoms of dehydration: dizziness, fatigue, digestive disorder, constipation, high blood pressure, lack of sweat, high cholesterol, acid alkaline imbalance, skin disorder, okay, etc. If you have this kind of signs in your body, this is the signs of you getting dehydrated. Okay, it's dangerous. Okay, Feridun Batmangldi said in his book, Your Body's Many Cries for Water, dehydration, intentional or not, can cause stress, chronic pain, and many degenerative diseases. You are not sick. You are thirsty. Your body cells are thirsty. So do not treat thirst with medication. If your body cells is thirsty, do not treat them with medication, but treat them with water. Treat with a good water. Okay? And then as you can see here, human is mainly made up from water. Your brain, 75% is water. Your blood contains 90% of water. Your muscle, your bones, well, some of you have brains with 98% of water. I mean, no brain, only water maybe. Okay? So what I'm trying to say is, if your body is mainly made up from water, is dominated by water in your body. So if you want to change your body, you have to change your water that you drink, that you consume as your intake into your body. So you are what you drink, not you are what you eat actually. Well, you are what you eat, yes, that's right. But because our body is mainly made up from water, you are what you drink. It will effectively change your body. Make sense? Okay. And then, how to prevent dehydration? Okay, drink plenty of water. But the challenge is the water must easily absorb by the body. Okay, it's not how much water that you drink every day, but how much water that your body can absorb the water. Okay, big difference. Okay, and the formula is 30 milliliters per kilogram of your weight, and losing 22 until 30% of total body water can cause coma and death. Okay, this is dangerous. Okay, the third thing is free radicals. Okay, free radicals, UV radiation. The ozone is already, leaking. Okay, the radiation is very dangerous for our body. Okay, the pollution. Can you avoid pollution from your life? I don't think so, because here in Bogor there are so many angkot. You have angkot maybe. What is angkot? Public transportation. Okay, maybe in Europe, in United States, they have a very good emission. No carbon dioxide from the canal pot. What is the canal pot? From the car, the gas emission. But here in Indonesia, too many smokes. Stress, okay, you have so many debt, stress. You have children, okay, they don't want to eat, they don't want to do good things, stressful, okay. And then poor nutrition. Well, I believe all of us, includes me, okay, have poor nutrition because we still eat, some, gorengan, bala-bala, what is in English, okay? Yeah, banana fried banana, something like that. Okay, and those things, free radicals, can cause cancer, aging, heart attack, diabetes, dermatitis, and other health complications. And I believe that all of you here, okay, don't want to suffer from this kind of diseases, right? Okay. So fruit oxidation, free radicals. I believe you have eaten, you eat sometimes you eat apples, okay? If you eat apples and then you don't eat directly, you finish your apple, okay? And then the oxidation process is happening, right? And then it's turned like brownish, okay? Rusty, become rusty, okay? Free radicals cause premature aging and diseases. And this is what happen in your body also, oxidizing. Okay, so let's say your blood vessels become oxidized. Okay, and when your blood vessels is oxidized, it become rusty. Rusty, your blood vessels will become fragile. And if your blood vessels become fragile, it will become easily ruptured. Ruptured mean, and then you will maybe suffering from stroke. So if you don't want to suffer from stroke, you have to make sure that your blood vessels is not ruptured. Okay, and then you have to make sure that your blood vessel is not oxidized. Okay, and you have to make sure your blood vessels is not oxidized, meaning to say you have to consume antioxidants. Okay, makes sense? Makes sense. Okay, and then the solutions consume antioxidant. Okay, if we talk about antioxidant, we talk about oxidation reduction potential, ORP. Okay, this is the standard. If we have the ORP meter here, after this we will show you the demo. If the numbers of the ORP is negative, meaning to say it's good, meaning to say it's reducing, okay, antioxidant. If the numbers is positive, meaning to say it's oxidizing your body. If, as you can see here, soda, energy drink, and so on, and we will test it after this. It shows like positive 400s, meaning to say it's positively oxidizing your body. Okay, and if you want to get a healthier body, you consume vitamin C, green tea, it's minus 100. And if you drink this alkalites, ionized water, it's like minus 400, minus 600. It depends on the types of the machines and the water source. But what I'm trying to say to you is, it has like 6-7 times more power. Yeah, more powerful than only vitamin C or green tea. If you are looking for the greatest antioxidant on earth, this is the solutions. But still, we need to consume vitamin Z, fruits and vegetables, because we still need the fibers, we still need the vitamins. Okay, but if you are looking for the antioxidants, this is the solution. Okay, and then as you can see here, ORP, okay, tomatoes, bananas, and then, okay, I forgot to put the numbers here in the English version. Okay, minus 273, minus 467, minus 320, and then minus 362. Those fruits and vegetables are good for your health because minus 400 something. Okay, and then let's carry on. So the solution is intensively intake of antioxidants. So if you want to reduce the oxidation process in your body, you have to intensively intake of antioxidant. But the challenge is today to get the same amount of vitamin C from one orange that you would have gotten in 1950, you would have to eat 8 oranges. 1 and 8 oranges. 1950 and then 2018. So if you want to get a healthier body, you have to consume like 8 oranges every day. Can you? Well, some of you can, some of you cannot. Okay? And then the second one is antioxidant supplement. Maybe you can buy the supplement of antioxidant in pharmacy. Okay, in pharmacy you can buy that. But the thing is, this is a medical journal said the effects of antioxidant supplement on human body. Okay, the study concluded that antioxidant supplements could not prevent cancer, cardiovascular, or death. So, the antioxidant supplement doesn't give you, any change in your body, positive change in your body. Okay. So, is there any solutions to get the right antioxidants? Yes, there is a solution. Okay, electrolyzed reduced water. Can I hear you say that? Electrolyzed? Okay, or ERW, electrolyzed reduced water. This is the best solution. Okay, okay. Before we talk about the ERW, there are top 7 places of miracle waters in the world. Okay, as a Muslim community, Muslim religion, we have Zamzam water, right? In Mecca and Medina. Not just Zamzam water. There are so many, miracle waters in the world. Northern German, France, Mexico, in India, Australia, Hita, Tenryou Sui in Japan. Okay, those water called natural reduced water, and those water have the sameness. Okay, research proved that miracle healing water has a hydrogen molecular or hydrogen gas. H2 rich hydrogen rich water. Okay, and this hydrogen is very good for your health. Okay, it's an antioxidant. Okay, and then Japanese people did the research in Japan since 1965. Okay, and then this researcher, did the research from those natural reduced water. Okay, natural reduced water. Okay, and then they found that there are 3 sameness. The first thing is antioxidant or hydrogen rich, and the second thing is alkaline, and the third thing is mineral nanoparticles. The first one is antioxidant. The second one is, and the third thing is, very good. Okay, and then after they research. And then they made the machine, what we call electrolyzed reduced water machine. So the machine in front of you here is not a water purifying water machine. This is a water ionizer. Different industry. Water purifying machine, a bad water goes into water purifying machine and then become a good water or clean water. Okay, but this one from clean water, a good water, okay, goes into a water ionizer, will produce a healthy water. So different kind of industry. Okay. Okay, and if you look about electrolyzed reduced water in medical research, you may make notes. PubMed, PubMed, PubMed.gov. Okay, GOV, you can find the most respectable medical research in the world. So everything that I said today is based on medical research. Okay, if you want to search a good medical research, search it in PubMed.gov. And then if you want to look about this kind of water, okay, you search this, electrolyzed reduced water. Okay. And there are hundreds of research that you can find on those respectable PubMed.gov. Okay, this book, The Doctor Who Cures Cancer. Okay, Dr. William Kelly Adam said that alkaline water that produced from electrolyzed water ionizer is becoming important revolution on health management since Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Penicillin is antibiotics. Okay, can you imagine long time ago when this guy Alexander Fleming haven't found these antibiotics? When you have son, you have friends, you have family, falling, and then bleeding and then dying because infection. Systemic infection in your body. Okay, maybe you cut okay, chicken, carrots or whatsoever. Okay, and then you cut your finger and then bleeding and then you die. Okay, because so many infections. After this, Alexander Fleming discovered this penicillin thing, antibiotics. The face of medical life in the world is changing. Is revolutionizing. It's a revolution for medical world, medical management. And he said that the discovering of this kind of machine, water ionizer machine, is the second best revolutionary discover, as in medical terms, in medical management. So if you own this kind of machine in your kitchen, in your house, you have a very good high tech, yeah, high technology in your house. Okay, high tech device in your house. Okay, is there any ERW water in Indonesia? Yes, there are so many ERW water in electrolyzed storage water in Indonesia. You can find those bottles in markets, mini markets. Okay, so the question is, okay, why do you have to own this kind of machine? Okay, this is the answer. Because those bottled water that you may find you may find it in many markets, okay, mini markets and so on, or hypermarkets, the antioxidant will drastically run out in only 24 hours. And the most important ingredients in ERW is the antioxidant, is the hydrogen. Okay, so well, still good. I mean, if you compare with the regular mineral water, if you drink alkaline water, but if you want to get the best benefit of this water, you have to consume the antioxidant. And those bottled water doesn't have the antioxidant anymore. Make sense? Okay. So the solution is install your ERW machine at your home, at your house. Okay, install this machine. Okay, so you can produce miracle water at your own home. Yeah, I also, in what do you call this? Sink. Okay, I also install my machine in my sink in my house. Okay, and I want to introduce a brand of a ERW, a water that produced from this magnificent machine called Kangen water. Okay, Kangen is a Japanese terminology. Okay, means back to origin. Okay, if you back to your origin thing, you will get a healthier body. Okay, and our company name is Energic, and the product is Kangen water. With our tagline is change your water and change your life. And our company is founded since 1974, meaning to say our company is already like 44 years old. If you have a company and the age already 40 years old, is it a very respectable, company or not a good company? It's a very respectable company. It's it's a huge company with integrity, so they can last for most years. Okay, and our factory in Osaka. This is one of the most important thing. We own our own factory. We produce the machine with our own company because there are so many. I want you to notice there are so many water ionizer in the world that follows our machine. Yeah, they don't have their own factory. Okay, they Maklun. What is Maklun in English? They ask another factory, to produce the machine, and then they just put their own brand and then sell it. Okay, I don't think it's good for us. And then our headquarters is in Okinawa. And as you can see here, we have global offices. We have already in 23 countries and 38 locations. Like in Indonesia, we have 2 locations in Jakarta and Surabaya. In United States, they have 8 or 10 offices in some of their states. Okay, so this is a very, very respectable company. Okay, 23 branches offices worldwide. Osaka factory, Energic USA, Energic Indonesia. Okay, already 44 years ago, we found this company. Okay, and we are the top leader of ERW technology. Okay, 2013 when I was that's the first time I bought this machine. I forced myself to go to Osaka. I forced myself to go to Okinawa. I just want to make sure, is there any, is this real? Do they have a real factory or not? Because there are so many scams, right? There are so many cheated, company. They said that they have a company in Japan, in wherever it is. But the fact is they don't have the factory. Okay, so this is the factory. You can go to Osaka with us. Okay, and then the certificates. There are so many certificates. Okay, there are so many certificates around the world, like from WQA, Water Quality Association. We are the only company Okay, who's got the gold seal from a Water Quality Association, and then also ISO certified company, ISO 14001, 90001, and then ISO 13485. This kind of ISO certification shows that our company, and also the product that you can see here, is a medical device certificate, certified of medical device. Medical device certified. Okay, so this is a very good machine. Energic was awarded honorable endorsement from the Japanese Association of Preventive Medicine for adult diseases. More than 6,500 doctors in Japan are using Kangen water for treatment to their patients. Also here in Indonesia, there are so many doctors already using this Kangen water to help treating their patients. Okay, to help treating their patients. Okay. The ingredients of Kangen water. The first one is hydrogen-rich water. The first one is hydrogen-rich. Okay. The second one is negative ORP. The second one is, and the third one is alkaline. The third one is, and the fourth one is platinum nanoparticles. The fourth one is, okay. This kind of amazing things can help your body become healthier. Okay, let's talk about the hydrogen gas. Okay, the lightest and the smallest antioxidant. So your body can have the best and the lightest and the smallest antioxidant. As you can see here, there are so many antioxidants we know here: vitamin C, catechin, vitamin E, coenzyme Q, and this is the hydrogen. Is very small, so it can goes into your body cells very easy. Okay. Okay, this is a molecular hydrogen foundation. In the world, there is a foundation that talk about the molecular things, molecular hydrogen. Okay, there are over 500 medical journals that talks about this kind of research. Why this hydrogen water can help more than 150 different human diseases models. Okay, those kind of research already proved that many diseases are helped. Okay, many patients that are suffering from many diseases are helped by this kind of water. Okay, if you can see here hydrogen rich water, you can also search in PubMed.gov. Okay, this is also medical research journal, medical journal research. Okay, there are hundreds of medical journals. Okay, electrochemically reduced water, natural reduced water containing H2H in atom, mineral nanoparticles, and mineral nanoparticle hydrates. What kind of hydrogen can function in your body? Anti-plaque of blood vessel. Okay, anti-nerve degeneration. Okay, and then ERW application on dialysis kidney disease. There are so many of testimonials that from kidney diseases they are having like hemodialysis, and then now it's no hemodialysis again. Okay, so this water can help the process of curing or healing of their kidney problems. Okay. Eradicate free radicals, extend life expectations, okay, anti-cancer, anti-diabetes, anti-allergy, and so on, accelerated penetration of aquaporins. This is why if you drink this kind of Kangen water, maybe you will go to the restroom more often, to pee. Okay, why? Because accelerated penetration of aquaporins. This water can, goes into your body cells easily. Okay? And then, okay, how old are they? Can you guess? This guy with, black hair and then this guy with white hair, how old are they? Can you guess? Okay, 40, 50 something, okay? And this guy, how old are they? How old is he? 70 something, okay. I travel around the world and ask the same question. Okay, this is the thing that I do every day, daily, And those people answer the same answer. 40, 50, and then this white guy 70 something, okay? And the answer is those guy is the same age, was in the same age, 68 years old. 68 years old, okay? Which one is the older sister? Which one is the older? The left one or the right one? Okay, well, the fact is, this is her mother, this is the mother, and this is the daughter. Not sisterhood, but parenthood, actually. Okay, last March, I met this guy. I went to Okinawa, and he's 74 years old. You know, his energy is very powerful, just like me. You know, he was still playing golf with that kind of energy. Amazing. Why? Because he already drink 25 years more Kangen water. Okay, 5 liters a day. Okay, amazing. Okay, and then the second one is negative ORP. Okay, as you can see here, this is the same, you know, the same tools to measure the ORP. This is my water in my house, negative 500 and almost negative 600. We can check after this. Okay, and this ORP, it depends on the type of the machine and the water source. Okay. And then, as I already explained to you before, the minus ORP, meaning to say it's better for your health, right? Positive ORP is not good for your health. So minus or positive, do you choose? Minus in the term of ORP. Okay. The third one is alkaline. If you talk about battery, any kind of brands, which type of battery that the price is more expensive and the quality is the best? Alkaline. Whatever the brand is, Energizer, Duracell, whatever it is, the alkaline one is the most, is the best battery. Okay. Also in your body, if your body becomes alkaline, you will have, you know, such kind of energy or battery in your life. Okay. Like children. Okay. If you have kids, children, they have so many energy, right? Run here, run there, and then not draining their energy. Why? Alkaline. But some of us here, you know, getting like this easily, and you know, acidic. Okay, if you don't believe, just check your, you know, what is this? Axilla? Armpit. Okay, axilla is medical terms, yeah. Armpit. Okay, you can check. It's acidic, right? Okay, our body is acidic. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, 7.3, meaning to say is your body, if you want to have a healthy body, you have to 7.3 minimum. You have to maintain your pH 7.3. Okay, green. And then as you can see here, what's the color? What's the color? Yellow, 5.8. Switch cancer cells on. If your blood pH turns to 5.8, it will switch on your cancer cells. Ooh, scary. Okay, and then life ends at 3.5. Rest in peace. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. Is there any one of you here? Rest in peace already? No, not yet, yeah? Okay, only sleepy, not rest in peace. Okay, and why this Kangen water can help people who suffering from cancer, and then helps healing this kind of cancer, and then they got healed again. Yeah, because in this 8.8 pH switch cancer cells off. So it's a very great water that you can consume every day. Many people, Kangen water. There is no resource for Kangen water. Okay, hello, they never search it yet, and you never find Kangen water in medical research because it's a brand. Like, you know, there are so many brands of paracetamol, you know, for your headache, you know, for your fever. Okay, if you search the brand, you will not find it, but you have to search with paracetamol like that. So Kangen water is a brand, not a, you know, not the generic name of the, you know, the what we produce of this electrolysis water. So if you want to find it in the medical journal, okay, search it with the correct keywords, alkaline water, hydrogen-rich water, or ERW, electrolyzed reduced water. So after this presentation, maybe you will have some of your friends, doctor, said that Kangen water, there is no research about it. Okay, what you have to do is, okay, borrow their gadget, okay, and then go to internet and then search it with the right keywords. Understood? Make sense? Give yourself some applause. Yay! Okay, there are hundreds of journals and research. Okay, this is Ray Kurzweil. Okay, I haven't changed this. Book author, film producer. Every new president in the United States always give him the highest award, the highest reward in a technology. He's the head division of Google. Okay, for the research and development. He's a very, very intelligent guy. He's a very high-tech researcher guy. Not kind of guy. Okay, me, never do this kind of things. Okay, and he said that the benefits of alkaline water is not just to alkalize our body. Okay, the most important thing is its high negative ORP. So it has a special ability to neutralize free radicals. Okay, and then the fourth thing is platinum nanoparticles. This is the smallest part that can activate the hydrogen to become antioxidant. Okay, so this is the part who responsible the hydrogen the hydrogen gas, the hydrogen gas or H2. Okay, this PTNP will activate the hydrogen gas to become the antioxidant. Okay, and this is the answer why there are so many people who drinks Kangen water, not fresh Kangen water, like already a week or 2 weeks. But there are still so many testimonials after having this, after drinking this Kangen water, because the hydrogen is already gone, right? But the PTNP still's there. That's why many people, okay, still drink Kangen water, not fresh from the machine, will still have a better benefit, a good benefit for their health because of this PTNP. Okay, and this PTNP is the media of the hydrogen to become antioxidant, and can and this antioxidant hydrogen atom hydrogen gas can goes into your body cells and change your body. Okay, healthier, better. Okay, and hopefully wealthier after this. Okay, carry on. Okay, Kangen water is their lifestyle. Well, this is Steven Tyler. I know him, but he doesn't know me. Okay, he has 4 machines of SD501. I have so many photos of him and his band. He's a lead singer of Aerosmith. You know Aerosmith? Yeah, dangdut. You know? No, rock singer. Okay, and I have so many photos of him who brings the machine wherever he goes. He doesn't want to drink any other water. Okay, he just want to drink Kangen water. And in one of interview, okay, he's already like 60 years old, 70 years old. He's his age, and still look young, still have the energy. And I read once in articles, it's one of the main reason is because he is drinking Kangen water every day. Okay, as you can see here, Tiger Woods, Jennifer Lopez, okay, Magic Johnson. Magic Johnson is a basketball player. When I was in junior high school, okay, he is my favorite basketball player, and he was suffering from HIV/AIDS. But until now, he's still alive. One of the reason he drinks the most amazing water in the world. Now, this is my twins, okay. Leonardo DiCaprio, well, Dika Putra and DiCaprio means the same, okay. Okay, Donald Trump, okay, Chris Angel, Barack and Michelle Obama, Brad Pitt, okay, this is my other twins, okay. Bill Gates has like 16 or 18 machines in his huge house. A year or 2 years ago, I went to Seattle and I saw his huge house in Seattle. And he has like 16 or 18 machines in his house. Maybe he put the machines in his living room, one in his restroom maybe, or in his dog cage maybe, okay? Where even animals, dogs or cats, drinks Kangen water. Many of my friends are vets, vets means doctors for animals. They cure their patients with animals with this kind of water. Well, there is a videos. You can search in YouTube or Facebook. There is a dog, okay, barking dogs like that. And then there is a bowl or bowl, mineral water, regular tap water. And then the master, the owner of the dog put regular water and then Kangen water. And then he called the dog. And then taste the water. Okay, and then test the second one. Kejilat beneran. I lick the mic. Okay. And then the dog. What do you think? Which one the dog prefer? The regular water or the Kangen water? Kangen water. Even dog is understood, is understand which one, which water is the best for him. Even dogs understand. Okay? Well, what I'm trying to say is, you as a human is, subjective. Maybe you don't like me. I don't like you, Andy. I don't want to drink your water that you just explained to me. Okay, it's your choice. But as a dog, they only have the instinct. If their instinct said that, okay, this is the best water, they will drink the best water. Even dog understand. Okay? And then this is Indonesian public figures, okay, one of the minister, and then artists, okay, celebrities in Indonesia. Those people drink Kangen water also. A few months ago, 2 months ago, I just came back from India. Also, many Bollywood stars like Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan bought like 25 machines. Shah Rukh Khan? One of my other twins. Okay. Become their lifestyle to have their healthy body. Okay, now, how does the machine looks like? There are some types of the machine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there are some types of the machine. This is the latest one. Okay, K8. We call it K8 with all those, touch screen, something like that. And then this one is Leveluk SD501, like the one you see in front of the stage. Leveluk JR, and then this is the Leveluk R. Okay, but minimum recommendation is the Leveluk GR, but the flagship of our machine is the Leveluk SD501. But if you want the best machine for your body, you must own the best machine, K8. Okay, if you have cars, Mercedes, I have Porsche, let's say. I have Porsche, and I have this kind of supercar, and I will not let any other, usual gas, fuel to fuel my car, right? I want my best car to consume the best fuel for my best car. Well, the question is, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, Ferrari, whatever it is, compared to your body, which one is more expensive? Which one is more valuable? Your body, right? So make sure that you fuel, that you consume the best fuel for your body, which is Kangen water. Give Kangen water some applause first, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and you know what? Can I have one microphone, please? Okay, and this machine.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
This machine can speak. Okay, let's like this.
Kangen water 8.5.
It can speak. So if you are lonely in your life, jomblo, single, you haven't have your spouse, okay, you can shake his hand and then talking with them, with him, okay. Hey, how are you? Okay. No, it's just okay. So these Kangen water machine are able to produce 7 types of water. 7 types of water, okay? But the pH water as the water source has to be pH 7. And this is the example of the installation. You can use the tap water, gallon pump, pumps, and then mountain water, refill water, okay? Mineral water, we can use it, okay? The first type is Kangen water, okay? There is a... Okay.
Kangen water 9.0.
9.0.
Kangen water 9.5.
9.5. So there is 3 types of Kangen water: 8.5, 9.0, and 9.5. Why I suggest you drink Kangen water start from 8.5 and then increase the pH to 9.0 and increase the pH into 9.5, because in the early stage, in early phase of your time drinking Kangen water, some of you will have what we call healing crisis, or the detoxification period of drinking this kind of healthy water. Some of you maybe get diarrhea, maybe, or something like that. Okay, you have the sort of breath, something like that. Okay, some of you will. So it better to start small and start low and start small. Start from the lowest pH and the smallest dose that you can have. Let's say 2 glasses a day, something like that. Okay, this kind of water is for healthy water drinking. Okay, cooking the rice, prepare coffee and tea. Every day I drink coffee, but highly antioxidant coffee, because I make it with Kangen water. Okay, cooking soup and any beverages works to restore your body to more alkaline state. Okay, and then the second one is clean water, pH 7.0. This is for medication, or for drinking or drinking drugs, medication, or making a formula milk for your baby. Okay, and then beauty water. Okay, we have here beauty water. This is the red thing is only the bottle. The water still clear water. Okay, this is beauty water. Beauty water. Every day, I'm taking a bath, okay, with beauty water also. Yeah, this is the reason why every day I become more beautiful. Yeah. Okay. For facial toner, moisturizing, hair care, glass cleaner, cooking the pasta, this is very, very good. Okay, for a facial toner for ladies, it will not ruin your makeups. This is very, very good water. Okay, and then strong acidic water. This is a very good for disinfectant, antiseptic disinfectant. Okay, for mouth ulcers. Okay, I have so many friends that he always suffering from mouth ulcer. Sariawan. Okay, scorbut or something like that. Okay, and then they what do you call gargle? Gargle means like gargle itu kumur-kumur. Okay, again it's gone. Or a wound bleeding. Okay, it's gone. It is very good. Before you eat with your hands, spray to your hands first, and then you eat. Or for ladies, if you go to public toilet in the mall, let's say, before you sit down, there are so many bacteria, right? Before you sit down, okay, and you have to wait 30 seconds. Okay, so every time you go to restroom, bring your stopwatch. Okay, and then wait for 30 seconds, and in the seconds of when you get 20 seconds, okay, do not sit. Okay, you move to another restroom, okay, and then clean the restroom, all the restroom. Okay, so you help the other ladies to prevent from those kind of diseases. Okay, mouthwash, disinfectant, nursing homes to sanitize. This is very, very good. There are so many people that have acne. I have so many photos. Acne. Okay, one acne Yeah, in one face, one whole face, I mean. Okay, and then spray this strong acidic water, and then it's gone. Okay, I believe maybe you have daughters, you have relatives, families that suffering from acnes, okay, severe acnes, help with this kind of strong acidic water. Okay, see, this is from the laboratory, okay, Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhi, those are the names of the bacteria, okay, dead. Okay, I haven't changed this to English version, okay, after 30 seconds, see, so wait for 30 seconds, the bacteria and all the germs gone. Okay. Strong Kangen water, 11.5. This is also not for drinking. Has a strong cleaning effect and can be used for washing the dishes, food preparation by removing the pesticides and removables. And I will show you the demos. And this is one of the most interesting part of the demos. Okay, I will show you after this. Okay, and this also from a medical journal. This is not from what I said, okay? Reduction of pesticide residues in fresh vegetables after processing with ERW, okay? It's like it can cleanse almost 86%, okay, of the pesticides in your vegetables or fruits. Okay, and the real effect of pesticides, as you can see here, male sterility, birth defects, miscarriage, and then cancer, damage to liver, nerve, brain, and these are the names of the pesticides. And I believe you don't want to drink or consume pesticides in your body, right? But the fact is, every day we consume this kind of pesticides. Ooh, scary. Okay. Let's carry on. Okay, and also this machine can produce Kangen water, and Kangen water is very, very multifunction. They have a multi-function, as I said before. Okay, you know this kind of brands for mouthwash, and then this is for antiseptic, acne, and then this is for the wound, something like that. You know, you can have this kind of products from this one machine in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or in your dog cage. Even dog understands. Okay, restaurant and cafe. I traveled to many countries around the world, and I've seen with my own eyes. There are so many restaurants, cafes, also in Jakarta here, using this amazing machine. Okay, farms and plantation. There are so many. Right now, in Japan itself, they already have Kangen rice because the rice field, you know, Kangen water. Okay, no pesticide, only with strong acidic, and then they wash all the rice with the strong Kangen, something like that. Yeah, 3-4 days ago, I just met one of my team. Okay, he has a plantation. Okay, chicken and something like that, and the chicken breeds, you know, more powerful, okay, produce eggs more many, and then the chicken is getting healthier. Okay, the chicken. Okay, and he said that he didn't put any vaccination again to the chicken, so it becomes organic chicken. Okay, give Kangen water some applause first, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Amazing testimonials, okay, acnes, you know, psoriasis, okay, there are so many people that, you know, being helped by this water. As you can see here, this is me, obesity, 2013, and then I bought this machine, and here I am now, okay, 6-pack. There are books. When I was studying in medical faculty, I was reading this kind of books. This is, you know, Hiromi Shinya. And every of his book, I said, always talk about Kangen water. There is one chapter of his book talking about this Kangen water. At the time when I was studying in medical faculty, what is Kangen water? Kangen? Well, I don't know. Until 2013, someone, you know, explained to me about this Kangen water. Now I understand why thousands of his patients got healed being helped and got healed by this Kangen water. He's one of the, the inventor, he developed of the colonoscopy. Colonoscopy, there is a wire with a camera to see your colon. Is it clean or not clean, dirty? Okay, and then he said Kangen water is considered as the very best drinking water. Okay, because of its incomparable powers of hydration. It's incomparable of hydration, detoxification, and antioxidant. So if you own this kind of machine in your house, you have an incomparable water in the world. Okay, from a machine that can produce. Okay. See, if you read the book, okay, you can find many of these kind of pictures. This is your colon. Yeah, this is a patient, one of his patients, the colon after chemotherapy. If you have friends that chemotherapy, having chemotherapy, their skin is burned. Okay, and then that's their outer skin. How about their inner skin? Burned worse, even worse. Okay, and then 3 months after treatment, drinking Kangen water, before and after, and there are so many people, yeah, it's getting better because of this water. Okay, this is a shelter house for cancer care. This is in Bandung. Yeah, we support them, and the manager of this shelter house is amazed why these children who was suffering from like leukemia and you name it, many of cancer diseases, they are suffering at that time. They were suffering at that time, and the stadium of the diseases from stadium 3 and then decreased to stadium 1, and then healed. There are so many testimonies like that. Amazing. Okay, and then I believe that you are willing to see the demo. Am I right? Okay, before I show you the demo, please give yourself some warm applause. Yeah.